Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how I set up for the new school year. So school is coming around real quick and I haven't even gotten my little notebook binder set up. So this is a 5-star binder or notebook hybrid where it's like a notebook and a binder, and I absolutely love this. I've used this for a little over a year, or maybe it's been like a full school year, but like, oh, I love this so much. I actually think I may go to Target today and see if there's like any cool sales. If there is, I'll probably pick up a different one just because I did kind of break this tab in the front. So, but if it's not on sale, I'm not gonna get it. So I'm gonna be first showing you my whole binder system. So here's what the front looks like. I always have a Scantron in here just because I always like stocking up on Scantrons because I hate going in a rush to go get it before my exam. So I always have like a Scantron here. I actually have to go pick up more because one is not enough. I have 4 different classes this quarter, I'm pretty sure. But okay, let's just start anyway. So this is, it already comes with like 5 tabs. So I am just gonna, I always organize it by day, so like the order of the class. So my first class of the week is evolution of biology, and I'm just gonna write that in using these Erin Condren flags right here. So I'm gonna use a black one. So normally I wouldn't write out the whole name of my course, but only because I'm taking 3 different biology classes. So I usually, before I do like biology, physics, chem, like that, but since they're all biology courses, I don't want to get confused, so I just write out the full title of the class. Now I'm going to take this label and I'm just going to put it on the label here. And I'm actually going to tape it down only because it is repositionable and the surface is not that sticky. So I'm going to tape it down with some clear tape. Actually, I'm going to do this one first, like lay it over first. And then I'm going to stick it down in here. I'm going to try to put it as close to the top as possible just so that I can see it. Oh, I don't know if you can see that. I'll show you guys again. And then back here is when you first open it, I put in my syllabus, but my syllabus has all like their info, so I don't want to put it in this video, but I use these sheet protectors and put it in. I hate the ones from Target. These are the ones from Target. Don't get them. Spend that extra couple bucks and buy the Avery brand because these are too flimsy. Then I always have my million sheets of college ruled binder paper because this is how I take notes and stuff. And then flipping on to section 2. So for this section I have animal physiology. So I'm taking animal physiology and I'm just going to write it on here. And then I'm going to take my clear tape, estimate how big it is. Then I put it kind of on the, like almost reaching the top, but not all the way up. Because I want just a sliver of a border, like that. And then I'm just gonna cut off the excess, just like that. So here's what my little label looks like. And then I'm just gonna do this to every label for my classes. So I have all my labels in, and I think it turned out so cute. Everything's like color coordinated, so I know which one is for which. So if you can see, these two are like kind of thicker versus these, and these are a little flimsier, but every one of these have pockets, and I absolutely love that because it's like a binder, you know? So you always have a place to put your paperwork and stuff in each section, and you don't have to worry about like getting everything mixed up. So I already finished my evolution of biology section, and now I'm going to show you how I do the other sections. It's just me adding paper basically. So this is my animal physiology. I'm going to have my syllabus here, but she hasn't put it, or he, okay. So I have to put my animal physiology in here. Having a dog that sheds, you get hair like everywhere. They just stick to everything. So I usually put my syllabuses right here, but they haven't released it yet, so I'm gonna have to wait. And it's crazy because school is literally in 2 days. So then I just take my college ruled paper. Wow, I already kind of found out. So I have my college rolled paper, and I always store them in these accordion folders just because like when you open them, like I hate leaving the plastic on, so I just take off the plastic and put it in here. This one's my wide rolled, as you can see. I never use it, but I do use wide rolled for math just because the spaces are bigger and I could put more numbers on it. So I'm just gonna probably split this one in half for now, just because I don't have enough paper. So for these rings, when you first get them, they're pretty hard to open, but then like after some usage, they get a lot easier to open and you're not really struggling to open them anymore. The only thing that's kind of annoying is like having to do them one by one. So again, these note papers are basically for me to take notes in class, and I love them because I can just flip it over like a notebook and just write like this. For regular notebooks or binders, you can't do that, and that's why I love that, like this crossbreed of binders and notebooks. For human and sex, I'm also going to need college ruled paper. This is wide rolled in here because I did have a math class 1 quarter, so I did have wide rolled. So I'm going to take this out, replace it with my college ruled. And then for my calculus, which is my last section, I'm going to take some binder paper from my little accordion folder because I need more of these. It's calculus, so I'm like tearing up a little bit on the inside. Hold on, why is this margin so big compared to this one? What the heck? Okay, whatever, we're gonna have to deal with it. Is this college ruled? Why is there one college ruled and one wide ruled? Okay. I can usually tell the difference because I use both a lot. So I know this is college ruled and this is wide ruled because they're a little bit bigger than this one. So I'm going to put my wide ruled in here. Okay, and then I have this last section. I don't have it a 5th class, so I'm just going to put my extra paper in here, but if I did have a 5th class, I wouldn't put any extra paper. I usually store like extra college ruled though, just so that I'm not like at school and I run out of paper kind of stuff. But I'm gonna have to go into my little school supply drawer and pull out more college ruled. But for right now, this is just like a little demonstration for you guys, and that's how it would look. And yeah, that's basically it for my little notebook binder setup. I forgot to talk about this, but in the front of these two like thicker dividers, there are this like section for index cards. So I put some index cards in here just in case I want to study one day in the library, and then I have index cards to, you know, study with. But I absolutely love how this turned out. I think it's super colorful and very cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, give this video a thumbs up. I hope you guys have a great school year, and yeah, subscribe if you guys want to see more content. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.